Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use Roombr's AI-powered test creation feature to easily generate, edit, and publish tests. To begin, go to the Activity module and click on the Test tab. On the top right corner, you'll find a plus icon. Click on it. You'll see two options appear. Select Create AI Test. Once selected, a default test prompt will appear. Here, you can customize various parameters: grade, subject, chapter, number of questions, difficulty level, and question types. Simply click on the parameter values to modify them as per your requirement. When everything looks good, click the Generate button. The AI will then create a test for you with questions, options, correct answers, and assigned marks. If you want to make changes, you can do so easily. To edit a question, click the Edit option or double-click the question directly. To delete a question, simply click the Delete icon. If you want to replace a specific question with a new one, click the Regenerate button and a fresh question will appear instantly. Once you're satisfied with the test, you have two options: save it for later, publish it directly to a class if you choose to publish. You'll need to set a few details: due date, class, subject, chapter, and that's it. Your AI-generated test is ready to be shared with your students.
Roombr.